Good afternoon from Animal Kingdom. Today is going to be a hot day vlog, as my wife says.
Hot day.
Yeah, it's going to be a pretty hot day. So we're here at Animal Kingdom. We haven't been to Animal Kingdom since we got our passes back. I think it's been like 2 years? What do you think? I don't even remember the last time we've been to Animal Kingdom, but we are here today and we are going to get some awesome B-roll, talk to you guys about some of the things going on here. We haven't seen the kite show.
I thought we did.
We maybe did for like a second, and then
We didn't pay attention.
no, we didn't pay attention to it. But the thing of it is that I thought that it was gonna be done. Like, I thought it was gonna be canceled, and it's still going strong.
I'm more excited for Hollywood Studios, figuring out how to use our bands.
Yeah, we got the new Magic bands, guys. The Magic Plus.
Magic Band Plus.
We'll show you. We'll talk about it more when we sit down, because right now we're doing the entrance. We're getting into the park, so we'll show you guys, and we'll show you like the app and stuff that comes with it. Actually, really interesting. I didn't think it was going to be as cool as it is. I thought it was just going to be dumb. So let's get into the park and we will talk about all that good stuff. All right, one of the last times that I started doing a Disney vlog, it was actually to help me lose weight. I've gained 16 pounds since the wedding, and I think I'm gonna do that again. So yes, it'll be a weight loss vlog, but it's also gonna be a Disney vlog. So it's gonna be a little bit of both. Hopefully you will see me triumph through this roller coaster of ups and downs. I started a whole new thing called Noom. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. This is not sponsored, but Noom is really cool. Look into it. We just got our lightning lane for dinosaurs, so we should be able to walk on after we're done getting water. For those of you that don't know what lightning lane is, we don't actually have lightning lane. We have something else called Disability Access Card. We have that because Molly Rose just has a harder time at the parks, so we are able to use the lightning lane, but really what it is it just holds our place in line for however long we're supposed to be standing there. So we have waited the time we would have waited in line, and now we're gonna be able to get on the ride through the lightning lane. And like I said, first ride is Dinosaur. We are going to be switching over to Hollywood to try out our new bands and what happens with the bands over at Hollywood. We've heard a lot of really cool things, and we wanted to show you guys. I wasn't gonna do a vlog today, but I decided that I was gonna do a vlog today. So I'm sorry if it's a little messy. I wasn't planning on doing a vlog, and my phone's at like 50%, and the vlog is gonna be done just on my phone in 60 frames per second. And everybody knows I like shooting in 4K, so this is really just a fun vlog, not too uptight, not too intense on making sure I get the details. We do plan on bringing you guys a vlog of our trips coming up, but today was just more of a let me see how I am with it kind of day. And here comes my wife back with some water. Thank you. Oh, look at that little cup I got from a gift store to match my shirt and the hat. All right, so Dinosaur, is it good to go? All right, so B-roll footage of Dinosaur and go.
Ah, yes. And of course, my vlog wouldn't be complete without that sun glare. That amazing shot, just, of course, ruined by the sun glare. Now, the unfortunate thing about doing a vlog in Animal Kingdom is a lot of the times it's hard to really vlog the rides because Dinosaur is a very dark ride, and whatever you record will not show up on camera unless you have a night camera. I've had this problem before filming, and really the only thing you can get is the stuff on the wall, the stuff inside when you're waiting, when you look up and you can see the T-Rex and all of the artwork around. So unfortunately I didn't get the ride, but we went to Finding Nemo after, and that's what this footage is right here. This is a reimagined version of the show that they had before. I couldn't really remember everything that they changed, but Molly Rose was letting me know that was different, that was different. So it was really cool to see, actually, and I'm very happy they kept that song in that Crush sings. That's honestly the guy that sings that is absolutely amazing. So I'm very happy that they didn't take that out. Overall, the scenery was very beautiful, very vibrant, colorful, very poppy, flashy. It's still a really good show, and I definitely recommend it still. After the show, we went over to Pandora and we got on one of Molly's favorite rides, which is Flight of Passage. We realized that we needed to head over to Hollywood if we were going to maintain our goal and keep track of time. So we went on over, and sure enough, we found our characters that we were looking for with our Magic Plus bands. So let's show you the footage so you can really see what's going on. You're gonna see Molly Rose kind of get in front of the characters and wave her magic, her new magic band. And after you see some of the footage of her getting the characters, we're gonna explain exactly what she's doing.
I don't know what he says. But it buzzed.
She got it.
Cool.
Look what we found. And my sister Kimmy's gonna freak out. You got him?
Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
100%.
So, we went to the Magic Kingdom yesterday. We didn't have the intention of buying the Plus bands. Like, there was talk about maybe looking at them, but when we actually saw them and the options that they rolled out now, we decided to get them.
Expensive too. I thought they were $50.
Well, so they're not quite $50. They're like, if you have the annual pass, it's gonna be about what, $38?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you don't have the annual pass, it's gonna run you about $47, I
And
think.
then they have the cheaper solid colors too.
Yeah. So why don't you go ahead and show them the one that you got?
I got the Tinkerbell with the clock tower.
Zoom, like right there. Yeah. Sorry, I want you guys to see it.
Tinkerbell.
Yeah. And then she convinced me. I was just gonna use the gift cards to get her things throughout the day, but we ended up using the gift cards to get both of them. So hers, and then she convinced me to get the Mickey Mouse one. You guys can see. There you go. But essentially, if you want to use the bands throughout all of the parks, you have to download the app.
Well, first you have to have the My Disney Experience.
Sorry for the wind, guys. It might get a little windy. It's a little windy here. And I don't have an external microphone. The microphone on the iPhone is what I have, so if there is some interference with the wind, I'm sorry, guys. But yes, go ahead and say that again, babe.
First you need to have the My Disney Experience, which, I mean, if you're coming to Disney, you should just have that app
you
anyway.
should have that.
But that's how you're gonna link your Magic Band to your account, and you can see how much charge your band has. You can set your lights and your features.
Yes.
on
Mine
there.
lights up blue because it just looks cool that way. And
Mine's set for Tinkerbell.
yeah, Tinkerbell lights up in the middle, like the little.
It's like green and yellow.
Yeah.
Kind of.
So, and then after you're done with the Disney Experience app, then you go and you download Disney Play, because you have to set up, like she said, you have to set up the Magic Plus band first, then download Disney Play.
So then, when you're in the parks, there's different, it's like a scavenger hunt. There's different golden statues all over each park, and you have to go and find the statues, and it takes a little bit for it to register that you're in front of it, but you just like...
You gotta like wave like a madman.
Yeah.
Other people are going crazy right there with you.
Here at Hollywood, we got all of them like super easy though.
Yeah, Hollywood was easy. Animal was
hard.
Yeah, and then Magic again. It took a little bit.
Yeah.
And then on the way out, they have some of them are really hidden. Like on the way out, it beeps when you're next to one. It'll be like, "Yo, what's up? There's one here." And so I was like, babe, that means that there's one near us. And she goes, but where? And this woman was like, out of nowhere, like fairy godmother was like, do you need some help? Yeah. And sure enough, Tinkerbell, little tiny Tinkerbell was there, and we ended up, I think she was easier.
She wasn't hard. Yeah, that little boy let me go.
Yeah. He was like, you can stand here and you can do it. Like, we had so much help. But
Yeah, it was good.
yeah,
It's fun.
it is a lot of fun. And then,
then
go ahead. No, you go
with
ahead.
the fireworks we didn't stay for, but it lights up and is interactive with the
I wonder
fireworks.
if it does the same throughout all the parks.
I was gonna ask someone, but we're just gonna see.
We're just gonna see. Okay. So yeah, that was our little talk about the app or the Plus bands. In my opinion, I think it's worth it because not only do you get the experience of going throughout the park, and who knows what they're gonna add later after everyone's done finding the statues. You also have the trivia, and it's not like trivia that I'm used to. It's really hard trivia. Like, as soon as I popped on during lunch, Molly Rose was watching me, and then, or was it wasn't, anyway, she was watching me, and I like logged on, and I was like, this is gonna be easy, and like the first question I went, no. No. So
Also, when you get the band, so with the lights and the interactive stuff, it is on a battery power.
Yes.
So the back here, these two.
actually, I think I have the,
magnets
let me show you guys.
hook up to a charger. And some of the Magic Bands, they've said that when you purchase them for the first time, you may have to charge it all the way through because it might not have a full charge. But I definitely recommend getting a portable charger so that in case it does run out of batteries, you can charge it throughout the day. It still works as a regular Magic Band, like with your fast passes, with your admission, with your photo passes, but it won't light up and do all the interactive stuff unless it's charged.
I will say the cool thing about this charger is it hooks onto the Magic Band. Like, you know how when you're charging your Apple Watch or your Samsung and it just slips off and because it's like a magnet? Yeah, this will, let me see if it'll do it without, it'll clip onto it. There you go, just like that. It'll clip right onto it and you can leave it in your bag and it'll still charge. I made sure while we were on Carousel of Progress, I was charging it on a portable charger and the portable charger did the job. I will recommend getting this portable charger.
I was just going to talk about that, yeah.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
On top of what I was saying about the portable chargers, at Disney they have swappable chargers. So you pay one time, it's like a $30 deal, so you get one charger with 3 different adapters. There's like a C, an Android, and an iPhone adapter.
Yes, so any phone will work.
And you just swap it anytime that it's out of charge, so you don't have to recharge your rechargeable battery. You just swap it.
I thought, yeah, when we first got it, I was like, not questioning her because her phone was at like 4% and we needed something to charge her phone. So I was like, let's just do it because we couldn't be without a phone. And I was sure that it was like a one-time thing, but then she Googled it and was like, no, you just go and exchange them. And I was like, no way. So then she did it and I was like, so you're paying for, it's a one-time charge, but you just keep going back and just swapping them. But you do keep the accessories that come with the
the only thing you swap is the charger
actual
itself.
Yeah, so don't she went to go
accessories.
swap the whole thing and I was like, no, I think you just do the little actual charging part. But
it's really easy. It's probably the best purchase that I've made here because it's so helpful.
And you're so like, let's find the next charging station. And I'm like, ooh. But we
really nice.
are due for I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get of going on Tower of Terror we're about to go on. I don't do well filming with darker rides because most of the time you're not allowed on them. Like with strike that, reverse it. Most of the time you're not allowed to record because of the light that it gives off. It's a dark ride. It's a dark ride for a reason. And when we're going through the lightning lane, it's so fast you don't have enough time to explain what's going on. And honestly, in our past videos, we've gone on Tower of Terror before, so if you're really interested in it, check out one of our past videos. I actually have a clip of someone I consider a mother and I, like, we went for her first time, and it's the funniest thing. So if you're gonna watch someone's first time, watch that. But yeah, shout out to Zoe. That was an awesome experience. So what time is it? Is that Thunder?
No, that's
It's the
I
show.
told you, it's the-
I've never seen that show. Okay, so is it time to go?
I think we still have 10 minutes.
Do we? I thought we waited it out. Okay. I think our next vlog is gonna be, we start work next week, back again, but I think next Friday, oh, I didn't think that went through. We are gonna come back for Epcot, and I think we're gonna do a little Epcot vlog. So just look out for that. Should be posted next week sometime. That was fun talking about the bus and what it does. It was fun. All right.
Now we're going to talk about what happens at Star Wars Galaxy.
Yes. Okay, wait. This is more of a continuation. We're not going to end the vlog here, but we're going to show you guys what she's going to do it because she's really excited for it. Oh, that's what we forgot. You got to pay attention to the games you're playing because if it says one player, that means only one person linked on that account who owns the account can play at a time. So like yesterday we were trying to I was trying to collect my characters and she was trying to collect hers. But in reality, you can only collect it you can only do it once, one account.
Yeah, because we have our passes on the same.
Yes, we have it under her name. I just have my profile on her account.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just be careful of that. So like we're gonna go to Star Wars after Tower of Terror and she's gonna be the only one really that gets to play the bounty hunter thing where you get to turn in your bounty and collect some coin. So let's go show you guys. Again, like I said, I don't think we're gonna show you Tower of Terror footage. I think we're just gonna go right on to Star Wars, and if anything crazy happens, we'll talk about it. Take 11.
It's not gonna work.
Let's try.
We were supposed to go to Star Wars, but we didn't get a fast pass comeback time because it's closing in 20 minutes. So we decided to get on a Skyliner that doesn't stop talking, go to Epcot and watch
The fireworks. Unfortunately, we are not able to.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969
Nice.
when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
So yeah, unfortunately, we're not going to show you guys how the bounty thing works with Star Wars. But like I said, we're going to come back next week, and we decided we're going to do Hollywood and Epcot because she wasn't able to do Rise of the Resistance. So let's show you guys the Epcot fireworks. We haven't seen them yet, and we've been pass holders for a while. So this is going to be our first time seeing the fireworks at Epcot. So we went to Epcot for maybe, I'm sorry for the wind if it's windy, for maybe like 5 minutes, and we got like some fireworks and then we left because I got overwhelmed. So this is our little outro. It's like I said, it wasn't a planned vlog, it was just a little vlog. I hope you enjoyed the day as much as we did. I hope you enjoyed watching us have fun.
Us, not
Us,
you.
Not you. But until the next time, we will see you guys later. And hopefully it'll just be a better vlog with just better, more planning. All right.
Fun.
Bye, guys.